Do you freeze when someone talks in English? Hi, I am Chakshu and I'm here to break this fear with you. Today I will prove English is not a talent, it's just a habit. Why are you so scared of English? You were not born with your mother tongue. You learned it. You made mistakes. People corrected you. And now you speak your mother tongue fluently. So tell me, what's stopping you from doing the same with English? Fear? Judgment? Confidence? Let me break this myth for you. English is not a talent, it's just a habit. And habits are built by practice. Think about a small child. When he starts speaking, he does not know full sentences. He say half words, make funny mistakes. But does the child stop? No, the people around him correct him with love and he keeps trying. That's how language is learned, not by perfection but by practice. So if you're struggling with English today, it's not your fault. Maybe you didn't get the environment, you didn't get the support. But guess what? You have something even more powerful. Technology, YouTube, apps, reels, everything at your fingertips. And to master any language, you just need 4 things. That's listening, speaking, reading, and writing. You listen to your mother tongue as a baby. That's how you learned it. The more you speak, even broken English, the faster you improve. Reading will help you see the correct structure. And writing will strengthen your memory. Fluency is not a magic. It's just a muscle memory. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Now imagine this. Your friend was born in the USA but is Indian. For him, English is natural. But if he wants to speak Hindi, he will struggle because his environment was different. You are not mad. You had just had a different start. People will laugh, people will judge, let them do. You don't need their approval. You're not learning English to impress them. You are doing it for yourself. And let me tell you something important. If someone criticizes you and you don't accept it, that criticism stays with them. Move forward. Speak broken English proudly. That's how it starts. Talk to yourself. Practice in your room. Pick any topic, whether it's business, travel, food, movies, and speak. Make mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. Improve them. You're not a failure. If you try and speak badly, you're only a failure if you don't try at all. Remember this. The child who cried on the first day of school now runs to school every day. That child is you. You just need to start. Speak 1 sentence, then 2, then 5, and one day you will speak without thinking. This channel is your environment now. Stick with me and I will help you speak fluently, confidently, and fearlessly. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.